Well, since I'm up here, not and about, probably gonna stop by one of the Harley dealerships way up here and see some 2024s. Well guys, we are at Sound Harley Davidson. Take a look at some of the new bikes. $50 for the new CVO ST.
Okay, thank you.
They give me donuts, coffee. Take a look at the bikes. These are the 2023 CVOs, VVT motors. Dang, their inventory is nice over here. Here is the whiskey red. Let me see, I'll take a look at the shark skin one too. Got some old irons. Let's see. This is the shark skin blue. It's got the new fairing speakers, TFT display, and of course the new headlight. Still got the old style forks on the front end, the dual disc brakes on the front. And that's what the older one looks like, and the Rushmore bikes. So this one's the CVO. Damn, that's the CVO. Some of the newer bikes. Just take a look. This is that Red Rock and Shark Skin Lowrider ST and the Whiskey Fire Road Glide. I like this one. This color is nice, and same with the Shark Skin Blue. Damn, beautiful bike. Guys, I'm digging the new 114 Road Glide also. The billiard gray and the black trim, black engine. That is a good looking motor actually. Billiard gray ain't so bad. And then you got the 2023 lineup in the back. These are the new CVOs right here. It's got the brushed silver. You can see that. Brembo brakes, the 121 VVT motor. A new base CVO, not the ST. The ST has the 121 high output non-VVT motor. Well guys, this was fun, you know. I think the new 2024s, the Road Glide and the base Street Glide are the bang for the buck. They're just a little more than the lowrider STs, plus you get all the features, so I think you're gonna have to think on this one. Guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy this coffee and head out. Happened to be buying parts off a guy. Took a ride, and there just happens to be a bunch of old classic muscle cars behind me. So let's go take a look. It's winter time. Cars are out. These are old beautiful muscle cars and hot rods. That's what you call a rusto mod. Firebirds,